Hello, this is an unpacking video for manufacturer number 410530BK-R by BlackHawk products. This is a Serpa CQC carbon fiber belt and paddle holster. Fits Glock 29, 30, and 39. It's black, right hand. I'm going to go ahead and take it out here for you so you can get a better look. This item does include your belt loop and paddle platform. Here you have your instructions and product registration information. Here's your adjustable paddle attachment. And again, this is your Serpa CQC carbon fiber belt and paddle holster for Glocks 29, 30, and 39 by BlackHawk products.